how much should you actually spend on a paintball mask? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, BROYUR Tactical Full Face Mask. First up is the BROYUR Tactical Full Face Mask, priced at $12.99. What caught my eye was its bestseller badge. Clearly, people are into this one. If you want affordable protection without compromising comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The polycarbonate lens is wear-resistant and anti-scratch, which is great for those intense matches. Plus, the TPU frame is soft yet tough, meaning it won't break easily when you're out there getting down and dirty. The high-density sponge provides cushioned comfort against your face, making those long hours on the field a lot less grueling. With over 793 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, this one has a lot of fans. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit tight. Here's the thing though, it does come with an adjustable non-slip strap that can accommodate different head sizes. So while it might not be for everyone, many users find it comfortable enough. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or looking for a budget option without sacrificing key features. Skip this one if you prefer a more premium feel or need something for heavier duty use. Honestly, for under $13, it's a steal. Now, if the fit of the BROYUR mask bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Stream 2C Anti-Fog Spray. Next up is the Stream 2C Reef Safe Anti-Fog Spray, selling for $14.15. At first glance, it might seem like a simple spray, but it's actually pretty clever. If you want an easy solution to foggy lenses, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This anti-fog spray works on all types of lenses, plastic, glass, or polycarbonate, making it incredibly versatile. Its fast-acting formula can prevent fogging on your goggles quickly, which is a real game changer during gameplay. With over 1,600 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Now, some users mentioned it wears off quickly, especially during longer sessions. Here's the thing though, if you apply it correctly and keep a bottle handy, it should last you most of the day. It's a handy tool for keeping visibility clear, and it's reef safe, which is a bonus for those into water sports. This is perfect for you if you often switch between activities or if you're looking for something compact that fits in your pocket. Skip this one if you want a standalone mask, as it's just a spray. For $14, it's a worthwhile addition to your gear. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for hardcore players. Product number 3, HK Army HSTL Goggle Mask. The third product is the HK Army HSTL Goggle Mask, priced at $44.95. The first thing I noticed was its robust design, definitely built for the serious gamer. If you want a mask that prioritizes safety without sacrificing comfort, this is worth a serious look. The anti-fog dual-pane lenses ensure you can keep your focus on the game, not on clearing your vision. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's a trusted choice among players. Now, some people found it a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, its protective features are precisely what make it bulkier, and for those serious about their safety, it's a small trade-off for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're an entry-level paintball player wanting a reliable mask that can keep up with you. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and minimalistic. Considering the features, it's a solid deal. Now, if the bulkiness of the HK Army mask bothers you, the next one is a great alternative. Product number 4, Dye SE Thermal Goggle. Next is the Dye SE Thermal Goggle, coming in at $54.95. What stands out is its dual-pane thermal lens technology, definitely an upgrade for serious players. If you want a mask that virtually eliminates fog, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The thermal lens is designed to combat fog even in high humidity, which means you can trust it during those heated matches. The comfortable fit with soft foam means you can wear it all day without discomfort. With a 4.6-star rating and 577 reviews, it clearly has a strong following. Now, some folks mention that it might not fit all face shapes well. Here's the thing though, the soft touch foam does adapt somewhat, and many users find it comfortable once adjusted. It's all about finding the right fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performance mask that's comfortable for long sessions. Skip this one if you have a wider face, as it might be snug. It's an investment, but the quality is hard to beat. Alright, that was a top contender. But the last option has some unique features that could be just what you need. Product number 5, CROSSBODY Vintage Bullet Style Goggles. Finally, we have the CROSSBODY Vintage Bullet Style Goggles at $16.99. This one caught my attention with its cool design and removable mask feature. If you want a stylish and flexible option, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 180-degree curved lenses offer excellent visibility, which is a huge plus on the field. The removable mask lets you wear the goggles alone, giving you options depending on your needs. With a 4.4-star rating from 364 reviews, it's popular among users who prioritize style and functionality. Now, some users complained about the durability of the frame. Here's the thing though, while it might not be as sturdy as pricier models, for casual players or those who enjoy a vintage aesthetic, it does the job well for the price. This is perfect for you if you love unique styles and want something that's functional yet fashionable. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty protection. It's more for casual use. For under $17, it's a fun and affordable pick. So there you have it, 5 great options for anti-fog paintball masks. The BROYUR offers affordability, Stream 2C gives you that extra anti-fog boost, HK Army prioritizes safety, Dye SC delivers high performance, and CROSSBODY adds a stylish twist. No matter your budget or needs, there's something here for everyone.